What does rounding off numbers to the nearest 10 mean? It is writing a number in terms of a multiple of 10 that is nearest or closest to it. This symbol refers to the rounded number. The word about implies rounding off. How to round off numbers to the nearest 10? For example, 95. This number has a digit 9 in the tens place, and it is in between 9 tenths or 90 and 10 tenths or 100. It is right in the middle of 90 and 100. To which number is 95 nearer to? Is it nearer to 90 or 100? Yes, they have the same distances. But once the number reaches the middle, it has to be rounded off to the greater number. Therefore, 95 is rounded off to 100. How about 96? 96 is nearer to 100 than 90. So again, it is rounded off to 100. And so with 97, 98, 99. They are rounded off to 100. How about 94? It is already rounded off to 90 since it is nearer to 90 than 100. So 94 is rounded off to 90. Also 93 is rounded off to 90. Also 92 and 91. They are rounded off to 90. What if there is no number line shown? There is a shortcut to round off numbers to the nearest 10. For example, 98. Underline the tens digit and encircle the digit to its right. If the encircled digit is 5 or more, then add 1 to the underlined digit. The digit that we encircled is 8. So we have to add 1 to 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. And make the one that you encircled 0. So the answer is 100. So 98 is rounded off to 100. Number 2, 53. The tens digit is 5 and the next digit to its right is 3. If it is 4 or below, copy the underlined digit. So we have to copy 5 and make 3 0. So 53 is rounded off to 50. Number 3, 591. The tens digit is 9. We also have to underline the digit to its left, 5. Look at the digit to the right of 9, it's 1. If it is 4 or below, copy the underlined digits. So we have to copy 59 or 5 and 9 and make digit 1 0. So 591 is rounded off to 590. Number 4, 795. The tens digit is 9. We also underline 7. Encircle 5. If the one we encircle is 5 or more, add 1 to the underlined digit. So 79 will be added with 1. It becomes 80. And we make 5 0. So the answer is 800. At this time, let's round off numbers to the nearest 100. What does it mean? It means that we have to write the number in terms of a multiple of 100 that is nearest or closest to it. This symbol refers to the rounded number, and the word about implies rounding off. How to round off numbers to the nearest 100? For example, 350. Its hundredths digit is 3. 350 is in between 3 hundredths and 4 hundredths. In fact, it is right in the middle of 300 and 400. To which number is 350 nearer to? Is it nearer to 300 or 400? Yes, they still have the same distances. But once the number reaches the middle, then it has to be rounded off to the greater number. Therefore, 350 is rounded off to 400. How about 360? Yes, it is rounded off to 400 because it is nearest to it. How about 370, 380, 390? Yes, they are rounded off to 400. What if we have 340? Yes, it is already rounded off to 300 because it is nearer to 340 than 400. How about 330? It is still rounded off to 300. And so with 320 and 310. They are rounded off to 300. What if we subtract 1 from 350? We get 349. Can we round it off to 400 or 300? 349 does not reach the middle. Therefore, it is rounded off to 300. There is also a shortcut when you round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. For example, for 128, underline the hundreds digit and look at the digit to its right. If it is 4 or below, copy the underlined digit. The one we encircled is 2, therefore we have to copy 4. And make 2 and 8 zeros. So 428 is rounded off to 400. Number 2, 649. The hundreds digit is 6. The next digit is 4. If it's 4 or below, copy the underlined digit. So we copy 6 and make 4 and 9 zeros. So 649 is rounded off to 600. Number 3, 8,679. The hundreds digit is 6. We also have to underline the digit 8 to its left and encircle 7. If the encircled digit is 5 or more, add 1 to the underlined digit. So we have to add 1 to 86. So 86 becomes 87, and the 7 and 9 becomes zeros. So we have 8,700. Number 4, 4,062. The hundreds digit is 0. We'll also underline the digit to its left, 4, and encircle the digit to its right, which is 6. Since it is more than 5, we have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So we have 41, and the rest, including the encircled digit, become zeros. So the answer is 4,100. For your exercises, kindly pause the video while you are answering and replay it for the answers. These are the answers for letter A, and these are the answers for letter B. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really commend you for answering the exercises on your own. I hope you liked the video and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord will provide. To round off a number to the nearest 10 or 100 means to change the given number to a multiple of 10 or 100 that is nearest to it. To show concern for others, look at the person nearest to you. Is he or she in need? How can you help? This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay Math teacher.